hello again. We're leaving Tasmania in a few minutes. And yeah, Jem, what can you say? Again, a few minutes.
I want to masturbate.
Okay.
Or have sex on the airplane.
Oh my god.
So I can join the Mile High Club.
Okay. So I know, Laura, you have nothing to say, right?
And it doesn't matter if it's with a guy or a girl.
Oh, Laura, anything you can say? Anything? What you can?
Give a finger.
Anything?
Double finger.
Anything else? Is there anything else I can? Oh, okay, that's all I need. Okay, that's good. Okay, we're going now. The plane's outside, but that's not our plane. Yeah. Oh well. Record. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Nadali mo like me.
Back to reality, and the reality. Back to everything we think. I just got back from TASSIE, backing up files right now. The drone. It's back from the cameras. And my computers right now working on it. Hopefully I have good shots. Could be posted in a few minutes. No, maybe in 2 days, 3 days. I don't know. To follow. Yeah. But anyway, nice trip. Had fun. Burned. Yeah. Hey guys, how it going? This is the future me, and it's around years after I filmed this series. So for all of you who's been following this series, this TASSIE series, I'm so thankful. That was my first ever travel vlog. Well, that was my attempt to do a travel vlog, and I look at my clips, I look at my mistakes, and it took me around nearly 4 years to look back to those files and edit them. And fast forward today, it's 2020. Edited the video. I didn't edit it properly. I just wanted to put it up, and it was fun remembering all those days that we traveled in TASSIE. I didn't have much of a plan, and that was my fault. So everything just fell into the cracks, and we had a bit of problems traveling there. But it was all fun. I enjoy it. Here's the thing: if you want to travel and if you want to have fun during your travels, I don't plan at everything. It's best that you have a plan, and it's best that you have a contingency plan. So if you want to go to this place, it's best that you research what places you need to go and what you need to spend. So what happened with us was like the usual thing. Like whenever I go there, I just figure things out, and it's not easy sometimes because you're in a place that you don't know if you can have a place to sleep or something. So yeah, one of the things that we didn't research or didn't find out at first is we arrived there and it was cold. It was like winter. It was really cold at Cradle Mountain, and we didn't have winter clothes. So that's one of the things you have to think about. Another thing is that for all of you who just came across this vlog or came across this video, the thing is this whole YouTube thing, this whole vlogging thing that I'm doing is just mainly my diary. So I just place whatever happened, whatever things that I've filmed, and this will serve as my diary, and it's just gonna remind me in the future of the cringe things or the cringe videos, things that I did. So as you can see in this video, I was really awkward talking to the camera. I was like, so I just want to say something in the camera and I'd have nothing. I didn't prepare anything. Well, until now I don't prepare anything whenever I film myself. But yeah, that's it. Just this was me trying to figure out how vlogging is. I was shooting at standard profile, and surprisingly it's been nearly 4 years since I started filming myself and doing these vlogs. And the thing is, I just learned, or I just touched the curves on Premiere Pro on editing. I'm so lazy, I just want to put things up and just tweak a little things like the LUTs and everything. I didn't bother to touch I didn't even bother to touch on the audio. I just chucked everything in there. Come to think of it, the initial thought of me coming into this thing called vlogging or filming myself or being a YouTuber is that I want to have my own diary, and also I want to learn how to edit. And surprisingly, it's been 4 years since I've learned, or I've touched the curves that much, because I encountered a GoPro footage and it was, every time I edit it, the colors melt, everything melts. It's so soft, it's so crappy. It took me nearly 4 years and still I'm not at it. I'm still learning little things at a time. But yeah, I'm learning at my own pace. But yeah. So for all of you out there who's thinking of being a YouTuber and you want to upload videos, and you just want to, some of you would just want to do prank videos and put them up on YouTube, just think of a basic goal that you want to accomplish. Like, as for me, diary, that's it. And then post-process. The second goal I had in mind was post-process. Post-processing, yeah, I've been learning that. It's not that fast though, it's a bit slow, but at least I know the basics and I can post-process a video now. I'm just too lazy to, but yeah. So yeah, don't be scared and try to put up your videos. Even though even if it's the crappy phone video, just do it. Just enjoy, and yeah, if you enjoy it, there's no problem. So all you out there who enjoy my content, enjoy what I've been putting up, please do follow me, like, subscribe, and everything. What they say. I'm not forcing anyone, but it feels good when people just follow me. When I see a lot of followers, I see a lot of comments, I'm gonna enjoy it. Yeah, it's been 4 years. It's been a long time I've been vlogging, but I still feel like a newbie. Like, it's like my first few weeks of doing videos. But anyway, enjoy. I enjoy it. Keep it up, guys, if you're doing it yourselves. And yeah. So, gotta go now. Still have other things to do. Bye.